Hey guys, so we're here with Lance. Lance really wants to learn how to manual because he's never done a manual. And by manual, we mean just on flat ground, not even on the ledge.
Yeah, because you don't that's a grind, right?
And that's what he just said. You guys heard that. Just mark that down in your memory banks as what Lance, the hashtag skate god, said. Yep. So anyways,
I don't need your support. I got this first try.
Okay. Well, let me just lay out the boundaries here. He almost fell on the push. We are, the end result of this video is for him to manual from here all the way to here. But keep in mind, not on top of this, just on flat. That's what he's going for. So, you know, the hashtag skate god, he's a beginner, he's learning. We all learn, and it starts somewhere. He's really prepping over there. He's actually like working out, slendering his muscles up. If you do this first try, I will buy you a smoothie. Judges, how far was that? That was almost half a foot. I've just got to tell you, I was so tempted to just throw my board out and just watch it go flying. And I was like, yeah, don't do that to the hashtag skate god.
So I was wrong, Master Kyra.
You were wrong?
Will you have me back? I need your support.
20 lashings. Well, okay, stand right here. Basic idea here is you're going to be bending this knee. And then you have to find a good point of balance. So, like that. It's actually extremely hard to stand still in manual like that. So, as you probably noticed, it's a little easier when you do have speed. You had quite a good amount of speed, which was good. So, good. You got the idea of just bend your front knee? That's fine, you got it.
That was better than yours.
That was better than mine. I don't even know what we're doing anymore. Yeah, you can hold your hands out. All right, let's do it. So just start right here, and you want to kind of be able to stand still on there. That was about halfway. Ready? I adjust a little bit back and forth, but for the main part, I'm trying to basically stay still.
I was gonna say, is like actually that tip about lifting the knee, it sounds like the most simple thing, but it actually made a difference. I don't know what I was doing.
Lance
before.
always, he always like, that tip you gave me about popping an ollie, it actually helped. I'm not sure why. Well,
I guess before I was just trying to like.
You got this. Okay, okay. By the end of this video, I'm gonna be on the pad and you're gonna be in front, and we're gonna double manual tandem.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
All right, you ready? Let's do it right now. First try.
So wait, no, but so I bend my knee and then my upper body, what am I doing?
Well, generally when you skate, you keep your upper body very stiff.
Yeah.
So feel free to like, relax a little bit. Just kind of like, you know, like,
free.
Like we chilling. What? We chilling. You know,
Like
bend your body. I don't really know, because I don't really think about what my upper body does on a regular mani, but I just know I try and, once I get into the balance spot, like really what balance is a point where you can stand up. No matter like if you're on 2 wheels or 4 or 8 or 1 wheel. That's what balance is. You can balance an egg if you find the correct position. And that's what you, once you hit that spot, you want to stay there. You don't want to move from that spot. Okay? Close. Let's go back. That was good. It just looked really funny. Looks like you're literally like this. Whoa. feet away from victory. Okay, you ready? Tandem double dragons, side by side. Go. You're killing me, bro. You're out of the Blue Angels. This way, go. Ready? Tandem. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Did you do it? I couldn't see anything. What? Two to make it true. This way's a little harder, it's uphill. Neither of us did it on that one. But you actually did it?
Yeah, I did.
You did the whole thing?
Yeah. So, can I be back in the Blue Angels?
You're back in the Blue Angels if you land it right here.
Okay.
Did you land it? Fail. Oh, what? All the support you need. Okay, so that was beautiful. So what happened there?
You want my honest answer?
I want your honest answer.
Luck happened.
No, you did it twice.
I know.
What you said was you just didn't even think about it and then you just did it. You didn't put so much like, ugh.
That was really what happened. I was like, here we go, I'm just gonna do this, and then I did it. I mean, that little point about bending my knee helped, as silly as that sounds, because it just seems so obvious.
What about the speed?
The speed helps.
Yeah?
And also I think just not freaking out.
Right.
You know, it's kind of like, because usually I kept stopping at the same point, like halfway. And this time I just, as soon as I hit that halfway point, I just stayed still. And then, oh, whoa, and I was like, I could actually go a little bit longer.
There you go. Because definitely when you first started trying it, I swear to you, it was literally like.
Well, see, at first I was trying to do it like this, as opposed to like this.
What were you trying to do like at first?
Like this. And my legs were both straight.
How? That's how you skate all the time.
I know.
That's how you do.
Bend your knee, and I was like, oh, so like this. And then that gives you more of a stable point of balance.
This just goes to show you, kids, if Lance can do it, you can do it too.
I guess it goes to show you that.
I mean,
they do call me the hashtag skate god.
You are the skate god. What? If you guys want to learn to manual, get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 2. It's available as an iBook and at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Thanks to Lance, thanks to me, thanks to Gabe, thanks to the camera, thanks to the ground, thanks to the earth, thanks to the trees, and thanks to the sky. Please click that subscribe button, click the like button, and leave your commentarios below.
But not thanks to the sky, actually.
If I land this kickflip right here, you have to buy me a smoothie. Oh! If Lance lands a kickflip, I'll buy him a new car.
Seriously?
Yeah, WRX Subaru.
Impreza? Hatchback.
Hatchback, yeah. I knew that was gonna happen.
All right.